Hello people and welcome. Today we'll be talking about the quick shifter. Buster, wait till you get a shot of this and you try the quick shifter. I think you'll love it. I've never had a quick shifter before, but the reviews in my experience are that the quick shifter is super smooth. Up and down. Down, I must say, down I like to pull the clutch in, but now and again just to flick it down a gear without having to pull the clutch in is brilliant. But up, I use it quite a lot, especially when you've just pulled away from traffic lights, and it's great to be able to just flick it up a couple of gears. We'll see when you come out in August, you can get a wee shot. No, that's me fed and watered, cup of coffee, a wrap. I was going to go to the McDonald's, but you get a bit sick of McDonald's, didn't you? At least I do. Nice wrap with a bit of chicken, just a wee coffee. What's this fucking numpty doing? Quick shifter, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wasn't really paying attention there. Too busy playing with the dashboard. That's a bit of a shame because one of the GoPros did connect to the dashboard. I knew it's saying that it's not connected, so would you have to connect that every time that you stop? or should it automatically connect itself? I shouldn't really blame Triumph, I don't think, because I'll have to take a look, because my GoPro 13 sometimes has problems connecting to the telephone, so I shouldn't really immediately blame Triumph. Could be that the 13 is the issue, so we'll take a look. So I've not really got a destination, it's just a Friday afternoon bimbo. The only thing I noticed is when I do this, without actually working out a route, is I end up on A roads, which is a bit of a shame. I notice quite a few people do that these days. Headphones on in the car. I always ask myself if you can hear like fire engines and ambulances and that kind of thing when you've got them on. Well, I think she's phoning using them because I see the hand signals in her and I saw in the mirror that she's got headphones with like one side on them, you know what I mean? That's I suppose it's hands free in it, but I don't know. But then again, us moto vloggers shouldn't really complain either, because we're talking to the camera and we're watching the cameras, and so we're not exactly undistracted either.